Hello, we are Sofia, Esther, and Elena. Leave whatever you're doing and pay attention to this video.
We are here to talk about pollution. At first, we'll explain a bit of its history.
We know you've been told many times, but still important for you to know.
There are many ways to pollute, and the problem is that although many people are aware of it, we also pollute, and worse, without realizing it.
Wrappers and packagings of food. It's very important that when you buy something, you should try to buy bulk products. Always that it can be possible, of course.
If you often buy products with wrappers and packagings, in some way you're contributing to pollution.
So, as far as you can, try to reduce the consumption of products wrapped in polluting materials.
Probably just a few years ago that you heard about global warming and stuff, but it has its origins in the Industrial Revolution, that is about 180 years ago. That brought with it the increase of gases and increase in the global warming of Earth.
Over the past century, global warming has generated an approximate increase of 0.6 Celsius degrees in the average temperature of the planet. Maybe that's not much for you, but consider that these last 3 years have been the hottest registered. These 0.6 Celsius degrees are gaining more importance, right?
Maybe you have not heard about it, but maybe you have. I'm talking about sea level rise causing the flooding of coastal habitats and the intensification of storms that can devastate low elevation areas.
We can tell you and show you what happened and what happens now, but not what will happen. But scientists predict that because of pollution, there will be an increase of the death rate, especially the less developed countries, especially with floods.
Animal systems will also be seriously affected by heat, like the Arctic or the coral reef, that will lead, unfortunately, to the extinction of species.
There have been several studies that show that temperatures and levels of carbon dioxide are rising, favoring pollen growth, which is associated with increased rates of asthma in children.
Proving, again, that this problem not only affects animals and plants.
As an actual example of this, we are going to talk about palm oil. It's an edible vegetable oil derived from the reddish pulp of the Elaeis guineensis.
It's also the most unhealthy and greasy of all the vegetable oils. It's low cost, so it helps the food and condense it to be so much cheaper than it could be with another type of oil. Then, how does it contribute with pollution?
The effects of the expansion of intensive crops dedicated exclusively to palm oil have affected the deforestation of tropical forests.
But not just that, the damages are much worse. The appropriation of native lands, abuses of human rights, and damage to local species, such as tigers, elephants, and orangutans. So we hope you enjoyed this video and learned something because we have worked a lot in this, so we hope you enjoyed.
So, if you liked our video and you want us to win, please give us a like.
Goodbye!
Goodbye!